Welcome to Masterclass with Jesus, where history meets humanity. Today's insight, the heart of a child. In Matthew 18:3, Jesus says, "Truly I tell you, unless you change and become like little children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven." That's a bold statement. But why children? Because children trust easily. They forgive quickly. They love without calculation. They don't posture, pretend, or try to impress. Their hearts are open. That's the posture Jesus honors. In Mark 10:14, when the disciples tried to turn children away, Jesus was indignant and said, "Let the little children come to me and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to such as these." In a world chasing status and ego, Jesus flips the script. He lifts up the overlooked. He honors innocence, honesty, and humility. So today, let's ask ourselves, are we complicating what God made simple? Are we childlike or just childish? Stay tender, stay teachable. That's the way of Jesus. Until next time, this is Masterclass with Jesus. Peace and love.
I am your host, Tipaste. Until the next episode, peace and love.
Today.